give me thumbs up so that I can come to know that it is visible to you. Great. Everyone. Yes. Okay. Now it is visible to everyone. Now it is on the slideshow mode. I hope it is visible to everyone. Yes, teachers, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. So teaching learning material, this is the content of the day. I'm your resource person, Aarti, early years educator, EIAF Global Ambassador, MI certified, right? So let's start with today's content. It is a case study based workshop. I always try to do certain case studies related to the particular topic which on which I designed the workshops. So today it is a very interesting topic and it is a favorite of mine too. That is teaching learning material. We teachers in foundation years make lot of teaching material, get it from the market as well, get it from the skill lab as well. But yes, when we make ourselves, then it is again a very interesting satisfaction we have. So yes, what is TLM? This is the basic question. So we shall be covering these in today's session. Then second one is the models. Certain models are there. I always talk about models used in foundation year. So yes, one model will be there. How we can motivate children, because we are mother teachers and we always should emphasize on this thing that we should make the children feel happy when we are giving any kind of a session or designing any lesson plan. We should make the children feel happy and connected with us. So yes, we should take care of this thing, that how we are making the children comfortable and motivated. Next is type of TLMs. Different type of TLMs are there. So I shall be discussing that as well. Few strategies also, number of examples as well, and of course tips. Great. So let me move ahead. Basic details of the workshop. Day 1 is Zoom, as we all are connected. Day 2 will be on YouTube only. Teacher activity will be there in the next day, day 2 workshop, which you have to attempt in the comment box. After that, certificate generation will be there. Post attempting the teacher activity in the comment box, then you will get your certificate generation link. And interested teachers can keep on sharing their insights and the lesson plans and the classrooms. Yes, Miss Sumitra, you want to ask something? Okay, so interested teachers, they actually keep on sharing, and they can do sharing of their content if they wish to go for, like say their learning experiences, their videos and pictures, and keep on asking questions which teachers do. So this is the complete detail of the workshop. I hope it is clear to everyone. Tomorrow you have to connect on YouTube and attempt the teacher activity there for the certificate generation. Let's move ahead. Yes. So the very first slide is, what is TLM? TLMs are basically teaching aids. The objects, the attributes, the resources which we use in the classroom are nothing but are TLMs, that is teaching learning material. or we call it educational resources, or we call it teaching aids, or we call it simple learning materials. They are actually essential tool for teachers, especially mother teachers, to enhance the learning process. We are actually handling the children who are learning new things, who are exploring new things, right, in the surroundings. So where we need to keep a prime focus on the TLMs which we use in the class. They help in making the content more engaging. Yes, when we are dealing with foundation year children, we have to engage them more and more. The moment we are engaging the children, we are actually near to the learning objectives and learning outcomes. We can only attain the learning outcomes when we are making the children engaged more and more, and the thing should be accessible to the students. So that is why we use these teaching learning material. I hope the slide is visible to everyone.